Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to share two documents with you that are crucial. In fact, these two documents help me when I started my business. And even today, after being in business for 25 years, I look at these two documents regularly. One of them is your company profile, and the other one is your one-page business plan. And I'm going to give you the templates to be able to go and fill this out. Now, the video that you're going to be watching now is a recording from one of the coaching sessions that we do with our clients. So when we start off coaching our clients, we do like a one-year coaching program with them where we help them in business. And this is step number one that we follow in the process with our clients. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe down at the bottom or towards the side of the video so that you can get a notification every time we post video. And what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to be posting some of the coaching videos that we offer to our clients. I'm going to be posting on this channel for free for you on a weekly basis. So click subscribe, watch the video, enjoy the video. You'll get to download the templates later, and let me know in the comment box what you think and whether this is helping you in your business. And we'll catch you next time.
I'm Carl Schultz, your business coach. And I believe in taking complex and difficult things, simplifying them so that you and I can be absolutely clear on exactly what it is we need to do so that when we take action, we see maximum results. Welcome to week one of month one of your business coaching journey. Now, from the beginning, I want us to be very clear that you and me, because I'm also a business owner, I'm a business owner just like you, and just like you, I'm wanting to grow my business. And so this journey that we're going to be embark on during this year is both of us growing our businesses together. And from the beginning, like I said, we need to be absolutely clear on exactly what it is we're going to do. So there's a target out there, and we're aiming at that target, and we need to be focused on that target all the time so that when we aim at the target, we know what we're going for, we know what we're aiming for, we know what we want to achieve, and we can work towards that. Let me start off by just sharing with you quickly and think about it. You know, people overcomplicate things, and for me, business is not that complicated. Business really is there's three things that you need to remember when it comes to business. It's quite simple. So when you think about business, and like I said, only three things that you need to focus on. Okay, so if you look at your business, three areas, okay? First of all, you're going to have products, okay? So you're going to have products. Second of all, you need customers. And number three, you're going to need operations. Okay, ops. So your ops. So products or something, products or service, whatever, something that you're selling, customers, someone to sell them to, and operations is the way or the means in which you get your products to your customers and then in return collect your money from your customers. And that's it. That's what business is about. It's actually pretty simple. Customers, products, and operations. And when we look at business coaching, I want us to maximize those three areas. We need to create solid products. We need to find the right customers, and we need to be able to get our products to the customers and the money from the customers into our bank accounts. Pretty simple, isn't it? So this is what we're going to be doing during this month. We're going to be spending quite a bit of time together, and every week I'm going to be sending you a short video. And for this month, the focus is going to be on trying to understand and lay the foundation for our business. And the foundation of our business is, first of all, your company profile. Okay, so tonight I'm going to give you two tools. Your company profile is the first tool that you need to work on. And if you look below the video, there's a little download tab, and there's a template for a company profile. Let me share with you quickly what the company profile looks like, and we can quickly go through that, and then you'll see how simple that is. But think of your company profile as your company CV. If you had to go and apply for a job, before you go and apply for a job, you normally need to send your CV through, and your potential employee would look at your CV, he'd run through your CV, and he'd make a decision whether he wants to employ you or not. And for a company, you also need to have a CV, and we call that a company profile. I'm amazed at how few businesses actually have a company profile. So your company profile is literally your company's CV. Okay, so if people go onto your website, or if customers want to do business with you, if you sending out for tenders or for writing proposals and that kind of stuff, your company profile would generally accompany your tender or your quote or your service level agreement or the document, your interaction with your potential customer. They would look at your company profile, and based on that, they will make a decision whether they are interested in doing business with you. Now, not all businesses would take a company profile and make it readily available, but the exercise of creating a company profile, of filling out this document, is crucial. In fact, it's so important because it clarifies in your mind exactly what it is, who it is you are, and what it is you're wanting to achieve in terms of your business. It takes your business to a next level in your own mind. So if you might sit there and think, oh, I don't need a company profile. I'm not going to be filling out tenders, or I don't have a website, or what's the use of a company profile? Guys, just do the exercise anyway. Let me show you quickly what a company profile really is. So when we look at a company profile, this document, it's just a template, it's a Word template. So when you fill it out, you don't need to put everything in there. So fill out what's relevant. And if it's not relevant to your business, then just leave a gap open. So your company profile off, you insert your company's name or logo there. You can then put your business address, your postal address, telephone number, fax. Remember, guys, whatever is relevant, you fill in. If it's not relevant, don't worry about that. Main members, the owners of the business, then their names go in there. And then we look at a little bit of background, the company history. Okay, so how your company started, just short and sweet, 2 paragraphs or less. What you do, exactly what your customer is doing. And when we talk about what you do, it refers to what problem are you solving? What problem is your business solving? Because customers, when they read that, they either have the problem or not. If they have the problem, they can do business with you. If they don't have the problem, they don't even need to bother reading further. Right. Your strategy and your vision statement, the big picture, your big vision, your company, what you strive to be, what you're focusing on, future focus, the big thing that you're wanting to achieve in your business, your mission statement, kind of how you're going to get there. There's a brief description here of how to write this or fill out this document. You'd look at your company values, what you stand for, your business goals and objectives, and your growth strategy. So again, like I said, guys, use this thing to get your mind ready and to start thinking in the right direction. Okay. Products and services, whether you're doing products or services, business competitiveness. In other words, what sets you aside from your competitors, or what makes you different, why your unique selling proposition, what makes you unique from everyone else, and why they need to be doing business with you. And then quality policies. If you have any of those, if not, just write something there, because it solidifies in your mind that you are building a business that's going to provide a quality service, a guaranteed service or product in that. We look at management and ownership of your company, your directors, their names and qualifications come there, your managers, your office administrative personnel, if you have any. And then this is D&E, there's for our South African clients or our South African businesses, your affirmative action initiatives. Again, guys, if it's relevant, if it's not relevant, doesn't apply, just delete that out completely. You don't have to have it all in your profile, but if it's relevant, do that. B initiatives, detail initiatives which the company has undertaken or is currently undertaking. And guys, B is a reality. You're not going to change that. We can't run away from it. If your turnover exceeds a certain amount, B is something that is going to be very real to you. I don't pay much attention to B in my business, to be honest with you. My turnover is currently under 50 million, so I can still kind of get away with ownership. But once I exceed 50 million, There are ways and means to work on that. And if you need help with that, you can contact me and we can have a discussion around that area. Portfolio, a list of customers, projects, and contact details for references. So those are testimonials of happy customers. And then, just a thank you right at the end. So that's just a short example of what a company profile can look like. And like I said, again, do the exercise anyway. Fill out your company profile, even if it's only for you and for your reference, but do that. Then the next tool I want you to focus on is a one-page business plan. Okay, so you get a detailed business plan and you get a one-page business plan. So the other tool I want you to focus on today is a one-page business plan. A one-page business plan is exactly what it says. It's one page. So you write out your one-page business plan. Preferably you laminate it, you make it look pretty, and you'll stick it up on the wall somewhere where you can see it every single day. Your one-page business plan is something you need to be looking at every single day. It motivates you, it inspires you, it keeps you focused. Remember the target in the beginning that I showed you, the focus, absolute focus, know exactly what it is you're doing and what it is you're aiming for. So your one-page business plan is something that you look at every day. Your detailed business plan, which we'll work on next week, that's something that outlines the how-to. So your one page is the goals, and your detailed is the how you're going to achieve those goals. And that's a long document. It's a living document. It's something that changes constantly and you're working on all the time. And that one you would probably refer to at least at minimum once a month, but you won't look at that every day. I mean, those are the details of running your business. So let me share with you quickly just a short example or a little template or something, a PDF that you can use when you're creating your one-page business plan. I'm also going to give you this down below. So down below, you'll see there's another PDF document, and you just click on it and you can download this and you can use this. This is not really a template. It's just for you to get your mind around what your one-page business plan needs to kind of look like. So when we think of a one-page business plan or one-page business plan, it's a tongue twister, isn't it? There's 7 things that you need to have on your one page. Point number 1, okay? Point number 1 is understanding success, okay? Exactly what it is. What's your one clear vision that you want for your business? So point number 1 is, what is it that you want to achieve? How big is it that you want to grow your business? What's your turnover? What's your potential income? How much you want to earn? How much profit you want to make every month? That's the big picture, the one clear goal. And I don't know about you, but I've got that. I've got a number in my mind. And I probably, as I'm speaking to you, you probably get a number as well. But what's your number? What's that one clear vision or the size of your company or what it is you're wanting to grow? Number 2, build your amazing offer, your basket of value, your total product that sets you apart. Okay, so those are your products. So what are you going to exchange for that clear vision? So the amount of income that you want to earn, or the big picture, or the big goal, or how big your business is going to be. What are you going to do to achieve that? What's your vehicle going to be? What are your products going to be? So you clarify that in point number 2. Number 3, finding, connecting, and converting your ideal customers, creating raving fans. So number 3 talks about your customer, your ideal customer. What does your ideal customer look like? Where are they? How am I going to find them? And how am I going to convert them? How am I going to get them to buy from me? So point number 3, sorry, in brief, just there, your customer, all about your customer. Point number 4, unpacking and building an effective marketing strategy. So just again, in brief, what's your marketing strategy? And how you're going to get to your customers, how you're going to get to those ideal customers that you've now identified. Point number 5, building the ultimate sales process and a strategy that works. So point number 5 talks about your sales process or your sales strategy. Point number 6, future focus. So setting and achieving your goals. Okay, so you've identified how much you want to earn. You've kind of highlighted the products and services you're going to supply, your ideal customer, how you're going to get to them, how you're going to market to them, your sales process, how you're going to sell, and then some goals. I want to increase my profits or my turnover by so much per month, per day, and you start setting goals. I want to see 5 customers a day, or 10 new customers a day, or I want to sign up 100 customers by the end of the month. Those are your goals, and how you're going to measure that. Because now you've worked out the first part. Those first 5 steps are your day-to-day runnings and your formula or your business model as such. And now you start putting the numbers in and setting the goals. Point number 7 is building a machine that can work, that can help you work on your business rather than in your business. Okay, so there you start automating the processes. And once you've done that, you can literally hit play and your business will run automatically. So when we think about your one-page business plan, it's not a detailed document, guys. It's something that you look at every day, that inspires you every day, that keeps you going and that keeps you focused. Okay, what is the big picture? What is it that I want to achieve? What are the products? What am I going to exchange? What's the vehicle? What do my customers look at? How am I going to market them? How am I going to sell? What are my goals? And how am I going to automate the process and start getting the process going so that I can step away from our business and things start to flow without me being there? And when I say without you being there, it doesn't mean that you're going to go on holiday now, but it means that you can step back and start tweaking and looking at these aspects, those 7 points, tweak them, build them, grow them, improve on them so that your machine runs more smoothly. Right. That's it for today. Those are the 2 tools I want you to work on. Download those 2 documents, go and create those 2 documents. That's your homework for the next week. And then next week, guys, we are going to look at a detailed business plan. Again, I'll give you a template next week, and we're going to start working on building your detailed business plan. That document, that's a living document that you're going to be looking at regularly as we grow your business over the next year. So you got that? That's your homework for today. Go fill out your company template and go and create your one-page business plan. Put it up somewhere in your office so that you can see it all the time and so that it can inspire you to grow a successful business. Have fun. Enjoy your week. I'll catch you again next week.